Hey, it's Maggie at Whisked. Let's get into fennel. Fennel can be one of those intimidating ingredients until you learn how to slice and dice it. Then you're gonna wonder how you ever lived without it. Let's start by taking off the fronds. They're pretty, but we don't need them. Just slice them right off. Then you're gonna stand the fennel onto its root end and cut directly through the middle. This is my favorite part. You get to see what the core looks like, and it's different in every fennel. This one's tall and skinny. You want to get behind the core with a 45-degree angle of your knife to get it out. And then to slice it, you're going to turn it over onto that big flat side, and with the rocking motion of your knife, nice slices. So we're going to do fennel the same way we would do an onion. So you're just going to slice horizontally up the fennel, keeping your fingers on top. So you don't want to cut yourself if you pop through. Turn it a quarter of a turn so that that root end is facing away from you. Give it a few vertical cuts. Turn it back to its original position. Final set of vertical cuts. There's your diced fennel. Thanks so much for watching. Hopefully you've learned something new. Don't forget to subscribe. You can also follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter.